Yes, Sunday the 6th of December, and on the menu today is not safety bar squats but front squats using the safety bar. So first timer, let's see how it goes, and if there's any difference when using a regular bar. Other exercises are going to be military press and some rows, and I'm going to show you also some exercises like block deadlifts from earlier this week. Well, here you see my second set. I start with 80 kilos, so here 90. The difference with a regular front squat using a regular bar is less stress on the upper back, so that's a minor. The advantage in my opinion is I even feel it a little bit better in my quads. So keeping this one in, but I'll use the regular front squat also once in a while, so change it up as I go along. After this I did 100 kilos, I'm not going to show you that, but I'm going to shut up because it's video time. 100 kilos was about 8 RPE, so up the weight for my final set to 105, and let's see if I can get 8 repetitions. Okay, and we're back, fourth and final set, so I did 100 before this. I'm not going to bore you with 4 front squat videos, so here 8 times 105. Very pleased with this performance. Hard to rate it because front squat with a regular bar is a bit tougher. But looking at my regular squat, I haven't done 8 times 105 regular squat, so high bar, in months, I'm not mistaken. So 8 times 105, hadn't expected that going in. So keeping this exercise in, like I said, really feel it in the quads, even more stress on the quads. Then the military press. My shoulders are really, well, relatively of course, a weak point, but big improvement compared to the previous week, where I did 45 kilos for 3 sets of 10, all at about an 8.5 to a 9 RPE. And this 50 was rated about 7.5, so maybe could have done 3 reps, yeah, maybe 3 reps, so maybe it's 8 RPE. And after this I'm gonna up the weight. Was a bit hesitant, but you'll see for yourself. Final set of military press for 8 reps again, and up the weight to 52 kilos. Here we go. So here the 52 kilos, and I rated an 8 RPE, so it was definitely not tougher than the 50. So maybe technique had to do with it, maybe a little bit more rest, I don't know, but this was a solid set, so very pleased with 8 times 52. The reason I'm not doing 531 any longer for military press is because the volume, in my opinion, is too low for a 5-3 plus set, or 3-3 plus, 5-5 plus, you know what I mean. So simply doing 3 sets, 4 sets of 8 or 10 reps. And here the combo, I finish every workout session with a combo, so 2 exercises back to back. Here it is a back exercise, Meadows row. Liking this variation a lot. You really feel the stretch in the lat. This is 52.5 kilos, so that is, what is it, 115 pounds, somewhere in between. And the dumbbell for the overhead 2-arm triceps extension is 26.5 kilos. I've been using this particular exercise really like from the end of the 80s, so it has been a mainstay in my training. Great tricep exercise. So that's the training for this week. I'm going to show you the recap and then some stuff from earlier this week, and those are the highlights. Not just the end of the video, but time for a recap. Haven't done that in quite a while. Enjoying my shake and some sugary carbs. And what I'm going to show you is the recap of the work volume this year so far. So here you see week 1. This is work volume, not excluding warm-ups. And what you can see is some quite peaks, but also a few lows or even weeks where I didn't train at all. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks out of the 52 I didn't train this week, and also some lows like this one, these 3, here 2 more, one over here. Reasons are there, no doubt. becoming a father for the 4th time. It's an illness, holiday, well, you name it, but with hindsight, too infrequent, so I have to get the frequency in and be more consistent. So that's the goal for right now, moving forward. So here are the recap of the lifts earlier this week. Sumo block pull, 140 kilos, fairly lightweight. And what this exercise really allows me to do is keep myself as upright as possible, get the hips as close as possible and to the bar, and really strengthening the hips. And getting used to heavier loads, less strain on my lower back, etc, etc. So for me, this is the deadlift variation to go at the moment, to keep myself healthy but still able to train. Really my favorite lift. And then the other highlight of this week for myself is the Close Grip Benchpress with the feet up. Had to go to a heavy 7 reps. And this is 82.5 kilos, almost a 7 rep PR for this year. So my rep PR is 7 times 85, so very close. So that's it for this week, and I will see you next time, or you will see me.